Okay, so BMW E36 318i. This was going to be a cheap racing car, and now it's an expensive racing car. But let's take a look and see what we've got. So starting in the boot, you can see it's nice and clean. We've got a 2-pack industrial paint. This is mostly mocked up, so I'm still waiting for final assembly, but we've got our surge tank, our fuel filter, fuel pump. Most of the wiring in here is all set up. Still needs to be sheathed, of course. And just got a few bits and pieces we're storing in here. Roll cage comes back to the rear towers, which is great. And that's the top of the adjustable coilovers. I've tried to keep the wiring nice and tidy. Make it look as if we care, which we do. Again, the whole car's painted in 2-pack. We've got that lovely red down there, clear over base. Once it has the stickers on it, it's going to look pretty wild. Moving into the interior. This is our roll cage from Trace Spec. Beautiful roll cage to Motorsport Australia specs. You can see the fuel system again, so we've got in, return, I think it feeds from over there, up to there, down to there, comes back over here, back into the surge tank, etc. But it should work. Battery mounted on the floor. All the hard lines running inside the car. Got our brake balance valve there. That's more or less for the trailer, just to lock the rear wheels. Kill switch and the spaghetti that will become the wiring loom. It always looks a bit daunting at this stage, but it'll work out. This is what will be our demister, because you need a demister. It'll mount up under the dash there somewhere. I've got a short shifter, second-hand seat, and if we have a look through here, you can see my favourite part, which is the motorcycle tacho, mounted into the factory dash mount there. Switch panel will go into that cavity there. Fuel lines again, all quite neat and tidy. Second-hand link computer, that's all we need for this engine. Got these wheels recently off Marketplace for a good price. Some nice race spec pads on the 6-cylinder brake calipers. And we have a look in there. Everything's neat and tidy. It's all painted. All the bushes have been changed out. Need to give myself a little bit more gap here, so this bumper will go forward a bit. Moving into the engine bay. This is a BMW M44. Some nice RTBs on it. 1.9 litre about 150 horsepower, which should be enough for what we want. Crackle black finish on the cam cover there. We're also doing the coilover conversion. It's got this nice plate here. The coilovers will bolt into that. All our brake lines, brand new. Again, adjustable coilovers. They always look good, these trumpets. But we've also got this carbon airbox that sits over the top. Like so. Also made this from fiberglass. This was steel. But, a bit of weight saving there. M3 front bar because it looks cool. Again, all in nice 2-pack paint. Again, we can have a look at this very, very nice BMW motorcycle tacho. Got this Momo that I bought off eBay. There's probably a few glasses of wine deep when I hit the buy now button, but it's actually quite nice. Clearly not a real thing given the price I paid for it. This is our center switch panel, so just making it a bit stiffer. Carbon fibre, fiberglassing bits and pieces there. This is the buck, so you make that, fiberglass and carbon those over the top to get the shape you want. And in case you're wondering, this is going to be, or it's the beginnings of, a clubman. But at the moment, it's just used for hanging things that I want to paint. But that'll be the next project, maybe. Maybe we'll do that Porsche out there. We've also got to get the race car ready for historics. Lots to do. A brand new pump in there. Belts are all in. As you can see, the rubber looks nice and wide on the back there, as a touring car should. And if we move under the car, let's see if I can get a good shot. It's nice and clean, and I actually replated all of those nuts and bolts with a homemade solution bath. That's an Audi 1.8 turbo, just lurking over there, ready for a Porsche to go into. And these wheels up here are for the Clubman, off a Formula 3 car apparently. But, they're quite nice. And this is what a garage looks like when you are close to completing a project. Seems that you actually need everything, not just something, but all the things have to come out. This was supposed to be the electrical table, nice and neat, but It's a flat surface, so things appear on it. But this car is very, very cool. Very cool indeed. So when will it be finished? With luck, a couple of weeks. So yeah, tune in next time and hopefully we'll have the doors on it.